42 people who wants to get promoted. 42 people who want to be famous for that. I have 60 people who want to accelerate their career. I have 50 people who want to learn AI tools and ChatGPT. No worries, I got all of them covered. Hi, my name is Aditya Kashyap. Which type of ad you see when you go through our channel?
So I see it's either the burger ad or
Related to
tire ad. Yeah, related.
Yeah, I think ads are related to our browsing history. I think some cases. Yeah,
I
if
don't know.
generally I do search in colleges, universities, and books, something like that. So I do see the ads on YouTube. Of course, for other channels also. Yeah, just like that. It's one factor. Maybe I restricted some ads in my channel. Okay, it is centroid in any triangle. Medians are concurrent, and the point of concurrency is called centroid of the triangle. Can we expect a different wording or different sentence construction for the definition of centroid in America or in American curriculum? Maybe similar to
I
this.
don't.
Yeah,
I
maybe.
don't know. Sir, never came across. I can check though.
Maybe in next you will in 12th
Yes. Yes.
geometry is ended or continuation is there for geometry for your board curriculum?
So geometry is done, sir. It was done last year, and won't I won't have geometry anymore.
No continuation, no further continuation. Maybe.
No, sir. No, sir. It's directly in my engineering or something.
Okay.
In my high school.
See, but you must learn geometry in depth because in higher studies, that means even in engineering or in SAT, maybe knowledge is very essential.
Yes.
All that we learned in intermediate, that +1 or +2 is basics for engineering mathematics. In
Yes.
India, M1, M2, there are two papers in engineering. M1 means
Yes.
Maths 1, Maths 2.
Maths. Yes.
M1 is the toughest paper in the entire engineering. If someone cracks M1, he automatically it means that student crack all the subjects in engineering. Toughest
Yes.
paper in entire engineering is M1. That means mathematics 1 in first semester. Yeah, see, in any triangle, medians are concurrent. You know what is median? Median is a
Yes,
line
sir.
joining.
Intersecting from the vertex to the midpoint of the
Yeah,
opposite side.
yeah. AD is median through A, BE is median through B, BE is median through B, CF is median through C.
Yes.
These intersect at
Point G.
point G. That's why G is centroid. And the essential point in centroid is centroid divides median. G divides median in the ratio 2:1. It's very useful point. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Next,
Yes.
it is in center. In center is different from centroid. You see, there is an incircle in this triangle. That circle touching all the three sides, internally. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see? Green circle is there. That green circle, by mistake, the diagram was drawn as ellipse, just like ellipse, but it is not exactly square only, right? It is a computer drawing mistake. So in center touches, in center touches all the three sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle, touching sides, right? See, it is a triangle. If we draw a circle touching all the three sides of a triangle, it is called in circle. Name of that circle is in circle. Center of that circle is in center. Center of that circle is in center. Generally, the letter I is used to denote in circle, in center. What is the letter used to denote centroid? Centroid. Centroid letter G.
A, sir. Oh, sorry,
G,
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 yeah.
G. Centroid is denoted by G. In
Yes,
center
sir.
is denoted by I.
I.
Right. Now, there is a formula to find I. Actually, finding I is very difficult when the kind of triangle is not given. That means not known. What are the kinds of triangles?
Isosceles triangle,
Yes, isosceles,
equilateral.
equilateral, and a scalene. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if it is scalene triangle, that means if it is scalene triangle or isosceles triangle, there is a lengthy problem, lengthy formula. See, what is formula to find I? Yeah, I forgot to tell what is formula to find centroid. Do you remember? We did sums also on centroid. See, centroid G is equal. What is formula to find centroid? Centroid G is equal x1 plus
X1 plus X2 plus
x3
X3
whole by 3.
over 3, comma, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 over 3.
Very good. And do you remember we did a sum? Centroid is given and two vertices are given. From that data, we found missing vertex.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, the formula for in center is a x1 plus b by 2 plus c x3 by a plus b plus c. A y1 plus b y2 plus c y3 by a plus b plus c. We know what are x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. We know them, right?
Yes, sir.
But we must know what is small a, what is small b, what is small c. See, in triangle ABC, see, it is a triangle ABC. What are the elements of a triangle? Vertices and sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Capital A, capital B, capital C are vertices. Capital A, capital B, capital C are vertices, right?
Yes, sir.
BC is side or vertex. BC. What is BC?
Side, base,
Side.
side, sir.
Yes, yes, side. Side BC is opposite to the vertex A.
Yes, sir.
Side BC is opposite to the vertex A. That's why another name for side BC is small a. Small a is a side opposite to the vertex A. What is side AC?
B, sir. Small
What
b,
is side A? Yes. What is side AB? Small c.
small c.
These are small a, small b, small c. So to find in center, we need small a. That means side BC, length of BC. We must find the length of BC, that is small a, into x1. A coordinates x1, y1. B coordinates x2, y2.
Yes, sir.
C coordinates x3, y3.
X3 by 3.
Right. A x1. A means vertex opposite to small a, capital A. That is BC.
BC.
It is small a, right?
Yes, sir.
Small a into x1 plus small b into y1. Small c into, sorry, small a into x1, small b into x2 plus small c x3 by a plus b plus c. And ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, right? It is
Yes.
general formula to find the center of a triangle, right? If
Yes, sir.
if the three vertices are like this, 0, 0, A, 0, 0, B, there is a special formula whenever the vertices are in this model, 0, 0, A, 0, 0, B, right? Then its in center formula I is equal to A into mod B. by mod a plus mod b plus root of a square plus b square, comma, b into mod a by mod a plus mod b plus root of a square plus b square, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, the x center. Previously, we see in center, right?
Yes, sir.
Someone may confuse that x center. In center is inner circle. Someone may think that it is x center is x like this. Don't think like this. See, for a triangle, it is in circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Someone may think that it is in circle. This name of the circle is in circle. And a x circle may be like this. Some may think that this is x circle. In circle is inside, x circle is exterior. That means some may think that it is x circle, but it is not x circle. It is called
Yes.
circumcircle.
Yes.
It is called circumcircle. Circumcircle. Then what is x circle? Now, see, for any triangle, there is only one in circle. For any triangle, there is only one in circle. But for
Yes.
any triangle, there are three x circles. How many x circles exist?
3, sir.
Three x circles exist for any triangle, whether it is acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle or scalene triangle, isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Three
Yes.
x circles exist.
Yes, sir.
What is an x circle? See, it is a triangle. In circle touches three sides internally.
Yes, sir.
In the interior part of this triangle, in circle touches three sides, right?
Yes, sir.
See, if we extend its sides and draw a triangle touching all the three sides externally. See, this triangle touches three sides externally. That means out of triangle, outside of the triangle. This circle touches three sides of a triangle outside of the triangle. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
called x circle opposite to the vertex A.
Yes, sir.
Right? There is an x circle opposite to vertex B. It is vertex B. If we extend the sides, if we extend sides, if we draw a triangle touching all the three sides out
Yes,
of
sir.
outside of the triangle,
Yes, sir.
this is x circle to vertex B. X
Yes.
circle opposite to the vertex B.
Yes.
And this is C, x circle opposite to vertex C.
Yes.
Yeah, it is not seems to be look like a circle, but it is, yeah, it is x circle opposite to vertex, right?
Yes,
Three
sir.
x circles are there, right? Centers of that circles are called x centers. Center of in circle is in circle. Good morning, Rani. I think she is very interested. She is attended in the first class also. She attends all the three classes, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, very good, very good. Very good, Rani. God bless you. In India, for students, it is difficult to attend at 4:30 because in examination time, they do study till 12 or later 12. This is
Yes,
exam.
sir.
Yeah, within 1 week, they have exams. Yeah, very good, very good. See, yeah, center of in circle is called in center, center of x circle is called x center, right? How
Center.
many,
Yes.
how many in centers are there?
3, sir.
How many x centers are there?
3, sir.
Yeah, three, right? See, formula to find x center is x center opposite to the vertex A. X center opposite to the vertex A is minus ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by minus a plus b plus c, comma, minus ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by minus a plus b plus c. Have you found the reason here? Formula to find x center opposite to vertex A is this formula. Can you guess or can you Tell formula to find x center opposite to vertex B, that is denoted by I2.
So it will be positive, sir.
Yeah,
AX1 plus BX2
yes,
plus C.
ax1 minus bx2.
Oh, yes, sir. AX1 minus BX2 minus CX3 by A minus B minus C.
A minus,
B minus C?
no, a minus b plus c. Only one term has negative sign. A minus b plus c.
Oh, yes, sir.
And ay1
That
minus
case, in that case, the numerator will also be AX1 minus BX2
plus
plus
x3.
CX3.
That's it. That's it. Yes, yes. And y coordinate is ay1 minus by2 plus cy3 by a minus b plus c. And we can tell the formula for I3 also. What's I3 formula? A
Mine
no, A
AX1 plus BX2 minus CX3
by,
by A plus B minus C.
very good. And y coordinate
It's the same, sir.
by,
AY1 plus BY2 minus CY3 over A plus B minus C.
that's good, very good. Now it is ortho center. Okay, ortho center. In centroid is the point of concurrence of medians, right?
Yes, sir.
Centroid is point of concurrence of medians. But it is ortho center. Ortho center is center of concurrence of altitudes. That means heights.
Right. Yes, sir.
See, from vertex a perpendicular is drawn to its opposite side BC.
Yes, sir.
Here AD is altitude.
Right.
AD is altitude. For example,
Yes.
if the triangle is like this, see, this is called median. This is median. Why it is median? Median connects midpoint.
The vertex to midpoint.
Yeah, vertex to midpoint, it is median, right? But
Yes,
from
sir.
vertex, if we drop perpendicular, it is called
It's
altitude.
altitude. Yes, sir.
This is altitude. That is the difference between median and altitude, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course, in some cases, median and altitude coincide. You know that case? Ma Jyoti, median.
Equilateral triangle, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. Equilateral triangle and also isosceles triangle. See, it is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, right?
Yes.
In this isosceles triangle, if we draw a median, it is median as well as altitude also.
Yes, sir.
In equal triangle also, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
altitude is different from median. Surprisingly, medians are concurrent, so as altitudes. Altitudes are also concurrent. You know what's the meaning of concurrent? Concurrent means
Uh,
more than
they are
more than more
same
than two lines meet at a common point.
common point. Yes.
Yeah,
Concurrent.
common
Yes.
point, yes, or that is called point of concurrence instead of point of intersection.
Yes.
The word point of intersection is for two lines only,
Two
right?
lines. Yes.
Yeah, it is or the center O. You may ask for this formula to find or the center. There is no direct formula for or the center like centroid and in center. There is no
Yes.
direct common formula. But
Yes, sir.
first we have to find equation of AD. Previously we learned in straight lines formula to find a line y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1.
Yes, sir.
BC, coordinates of B and coordinates of C will be given. From those
Yes.
from those 2 points, we can find its slope.
Yes, sir.
We can find the slope of BC. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, we can find the slope of AD by finding the slope of BC. Perpendicular slope. Do you remember? If the slope of a line is 4 by 5, the slope of a line perpendicular to it is minus 5 by 4. This is called
Yes,
perpendicular
sir.
slopes, right? In that way, we can find the slope of AD. Slope of AD can be obtained by finding the slope of BC. Got it? And
Yes,
the
sir.
point A is there. Coordinates of A are x and y1, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the point, and slope will be obtained. By
Yes.
using point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, we can find the equation of AD. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
we can find the equation of BE. We can find the equation of CE, equation of AD, equation of BE, equation of CF.
Yes,
By
sir.
solving any two of those three equations, three equations, we can get the ortho center. This is a process to find the ortho center of a triangle in general form. That means if it is neither equilateral nor isosceles nor right angle triangle, if it is general triangle, this is the process to find ortho center. But
Yes,
in
sir.
case of right angle triangle, if we identify that this is the point, the separate point, read it once, please. Fourth point, point number 4.
In a angle triangle, the vertex at the right angle is the orthocenter of the triangle.
Very good. How can I get same type of accent? How could I learn that accent?
Oh, it's just easy, sir. You just have to know. Let's say that you're trying to read a word, and if you open the Google in beside, like for example, let's take the point 4 and you open the
You,
Google beside, and
you,
then you look for in pronunciation, right
is
pronunciation.
there any app to learn accent, American accent?
No, sir. It's just you. It's just listening, sir. We'll get
Listen,
the accent by listening.
yeah. If I want to watch the channels, also channels may be different in India, different from American channels, right?
So, no, sir. We don't have anything in TV except for Netflix and all that. So there's
Okay.
nothing
Okay.
different at
Like
this.
cable. In India, there is a system of cable TV.
Cables, and yes, sir, we don't have anything like that at home.
Okay. I think Wall Street Journal or New York Times has a channel.
Mm,
Do you think Wall Street Journal? I think famous newspapers in America are Wall Street Journal or New York Times, I think.
yes, sir.
I subscribe to that newspaper also, but I don't know whether they do have news channels or not. Of course, BBC is there.
BBC's, yes.
See, it is a right angle triangle. Where is right angle? Which vertex has right angle? They
A,
are,
sir.
yeah.
A.
Then see, if we notice that the given triangle is right angle triangle and altitude of it is A only.
Yes, sir.
Altitude is the vertex at which the angle is right angle.
Yes, sir.
Of course, if it is a right angle triangle, what is its ortho center?
Why, sir?
Yeah, y is ortho. Just simply y is ortho center, right? There are some
Yes.
cases also. Actually, it's a general process to find the equation of altitudes, any two altitudes, and solve them. But if you
Yes.
notice that it is equal triangle or right angle triangle, we can find its ortho center very easily. I will tell how. See, it is circumcenter. Circumcenter is circumcenter. Cir, circum. You know what's the meaning of circum?
I don't know,
Yeah,
circum.
circum means circum. It is circum. It is being, yeah. It is triangle ABC.
Yes, sir.
It is triangle ABC. A circle. Can you read Telugu
Yes, sir.
clearly?
Not that fluently, sir, but I can try reading it.
I do recommend a book, but it is not available anywhere. At last, I got from a colleague. I do get photocopies. I do get photocopy of that book and giving gifting to all
Mm,
my well wishers because that is very essential book. You may try to get it. but unfortunately, it is available only in Telugu.
It's okay, sir. I'll read it the entire decade.
Yeah,
We-
can you read it? I think it is the letters are seen in mirror image.
No, sir, it's not normal only.
Yeah, can you read it?
Vyakti
Vyakti, Vyaktitva
Vikasam.
Vyaktitva Vikas. Yeah, title is difficult, but some inner content is not difficult. Yeah, once it is sensation in Telugu states, so many thousands of lives changed after reading that book. It is in
Mhm.
simple language and it transformed many lives. How to develop in their life. Yeah, I couldn't find it in website. That author is no one now. That's why publisher didn't reprint it. At last, I found it one of my colleague, and I do get it photocopies. You may try it. Vyaktitva Vikasam by C. Narsingarao. It really
Vyakti-
changes our lives. Definitely, there will
Mhm.
be positive change in our life if we do read it and follow the principles in it. And I
Yes,
also recently got one book. It is Archery. I recommend you to read it. After reading that book, I will tell you to read it. Archery. It is
yes,
to practice that achiever's um, not achiever's lifestyle.
yes.
Paul Coelho, Alchemist is a famous book. Alchemist.
Oh, I heard about it, sir.
Yeah, so it's very sensational book. It's about if we have strong desire. The main content of that book is if we have strongest desire in our life or in our mind, the entire universe plans to support us to achieve our goal. That's the essence of that book, Alchemist.
Yes,
There are so many books by the same author. One of its book is Archery. It just
yes.
like yes, achiever of that person. I just read it started yesterday. Yeah, books are very essential in our life. They do help to think to achieve our goals. See, it is a triangle ABC. If we draw a triangle passing through three vertices, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. That circle is called circumcircle. Its center is called circumcenter.
Enter.
Circumcenter is denoted by S,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Circumcenter, yes. How to find the circumcenter? See, the circumcenter of a circumcenter is an equation from all the three vertices. That means it is center. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC.
yes,
How to construct circumcircle? Yeah, this is the angle bisector of A. Angle A
yes,
is bisecting.
yes, sir.
By use compass, we can
Yes,
get the bisector of angle A, bisector of angle B, bisector of angle C. Point of concurrence of angle bisector is circumcenter, right?
yes, sir.
And how to find circumcenter? Circumcenter is SA is equal to SB equal to SC, taking SA equal to SB equal to SC and solving them. ABC
Yes,
are given, right? ABC
yes,
coordinates are given.
yes,
Let S be X comma Y. Finding SA. A coordinates are given. S coordinates are taken as X comma Y. SA, distance
yes,
between S and A. That is SA.
yes, sir.
Is
Yes.
equal to SB is equal to SC.
Oh, yes, I got it.
Taking SC equal SB, we get an equation in X and Y.
Yes, sir.
Taking SB equal SC, we can get an equation in XY.
Yes,
Of course, by taking SCA equal to SC, we can get another equation. Out of
yes,
those three equations, taking two equations and solve them, we can get the values of XY. That is
yes.
circumcenter, right? See,
Circumference. Yes,
there is an essential point. If the circumcenter of a right angled triangle is midpoint of its hypotenuse, very simple.
yes, sir.
See, if we notice that the given triangle is a right angle triangle,
Yes,
we know what is right angle and what is hypotenuse. See,
Yes, sir.
if ABC is identified as a right angle triangle and right angle is at angle B, then midpoint of AC is circumcenter.
Yes, sir.
You know how to find midpoint?
Yes, sir.
X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And at last, I will tell you one trick to find any center if it is equilateral triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, it is difficult to find circumcenter if it is a not right angle triangle or nor equilateral triangle. It is formula to find circumcenter in general, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's over. See, now I am telling one tip to find the circumcenter if it is an equilateral triangle. You know,
Sir, we can just find the radius of the circle, no, sir.
yeah, radius of the circle. Yes, you are right. Radius of that circle is radius of
Circumcenter.
radius of circle is called
SA.
circumradius. Circumradius.
Oh, circumradius. Yes, sir.
Right. See, if we notice that the given triangle is equilateral triangle, in our opinion, which is easy to find, which center is easy to find? Circumcenter or centroid or incenter or excenter or ortho center?
Are the centers.
Ortho center. So what is formula to find centroid?
The medians, sir.
Yeah,
X1 plus
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3.
X2 plus X3 by 3.
That is formula to find centroid. Ortho center, finding ortho center is difficult. Finding altitudes and solving them.
Oh, yes, sir.
Same as
Centroids are
circumcenter.
easy.
Circumcenter, SH plus B plus C.
Yes, sir.
In center is a big formula, AX1 plus BX2 plus EX3 by A plus B plus C, right?
Yes, sir.
What is which has the easiest formula?
Centroid, sir.
Centroid is the easiest formula, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we know the given, if we identify that the given triangle is equilateral triangle, please do understand it is very useful formula. If we understand that the given triangle is equilateral triangle,
Yes,
and in
sir.
that question, if ortho center is asked or if centroid is asked, sorry, if centroid is asked or ortho center is asked, in center is asked, whatever they ask, just
Yes, sir.
find it's a centroid.
Yes, sir.
Because in equilateral triangle, centroid or the center in center,
Yes, sir.
circumcenter, all coincides. I'm asking you one question. You are asked to find its circumcenter, and you notice that the given circle is equilateral triangle. What do you do? What will you do?
Find it.
Centroid. Just find
Centroid.
centroid. Even if centroid is not asked, finding centroid is finding circumcenter. Finding centroid means finding in center. Finding centroid means finding ortho center, right?
Yes, sir.
Only in case of equilateral triangle. Only in case of equilateral triangle. This trick is use it to find any center in equilateral triangle only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, generally equilateral triangle or right angle is given and asked to find various centers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am asking, these are questions. And the main point in case of centroid is centroid divides median and the ratio. Do you know what's the ratio of the centroid that divides median?
1:2:1 or 1:2, sir?
Did we discuss about the section formula? That means, but you know what is midpoint? Midpoint divides in the ratio 1:1.
Yes, sir.
But the ratio is not 1:1. There is a special formula. That formula is called section formula. Rani, నువ్వు చెప్పగలవమ్మా? A x1 y1 రాణి క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పగలవా? bx2 y2, a x1 y1, b x2 y2. This is straight line AB. Okay. There is a point C on the line C. Yeah, అమ్మా దీనికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు. జ్యోతి ఈస్ సారీ రాణి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్రై చేయమ్మా. C divides AB in the ratio m:n.
Yes, sir.
Midpoint ratio is 1:1. Midpoint ratio is 1:1. Equal ratio. But
Yes, sir.
the ratio is m:n. Then there
Yes.
is a formula to find C. It is called section formula. Have you ever gone through it? mx2.
It is the segment. Oh, okay.
Yeah, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n.
nx2
my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This formula is called section formula.
Yes, sir.
See, now it is a triangle. Do notice that it is not to scale.
Yes.
A 5,6. See, A 5,6. Its centroid is 2,3.
Yes, sir.
Centroid G is 2,3. Notice the point that centroid divides median and the ratio 2:1, right?
Yes, sir.
Median joins vertex and midpoint, right?
Yes, sir.
Let this midpoint be D. The ratio is 2:1. What is asked here? The midpoint of side BC. The midpoint of side BC, that is D, is asked.
Yes, sir.
You know, if we know A and D, we can find G by using the section formula.
So we can also do the distance formula, no, sir?
You can find AG.
Yes, sir. Distance, and then we can divide. We'll get the 2:1, sir.
Yeah. We can find AG and find half of it because
Yes,
GD
sir.
is half of it. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we can take D as some x comma y, right? X comma y. And you think that you can find AG and DG, right?
Yeah.
AG. A coordinates are known, G coordinates are known, so you can find AG.
Yes, sir.
But D
So it's
coordinates
gonna
are
be
not known. But we can find its find DG. It will be in the form of XY.
yes, sir.
Yeah, we need to solve that equations, but it is time-taking process. But I'm telling simple formula. Let the coordinates of D be x comma y, right?
Yes, sir.
Try to find using section formula. Try to find the coordinates of G. Formula mx2. What is m here? 2.
Yes, sir.
What is n?
1, sir.
1. What is x1 y1? 5,6.
5,6.
What is x1 y1 is 5,6. What is x2 y2? X comma y.
X comma y.
Yeah, use section formula to find G. mx2, that means 2 into x
Yes, sir.
plus nx1 means 1
Yes.
into 5
Yes, sir.
by m plus n, 2 plus 1.
Yes. 2 plus. Yes.
Comma my2,
Yes.
2 into y
Yes.
plus ny1, 1 into 6
Yes.
by 2 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
This is centroid, but centroid is already given, so that is 2,3.
Yes.
We equate it. Suppose equate 2x plus 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. 2y plus 6 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Take this part first. 2x plus 5 by 3 is equal to, right?
Yes.
Then 2x plus 5 is equal 2x 5 by 3 is equal to
2x plus 5 equals 6, sir.
Very good. Solve it.
2x plus 5.
2x is equal to?
So is it half? 1 over 2?
Yes, 2x is equal to 1. That means x is equal to half.
Yes, sir.
You know, we need not find y. Of course, we can find y in similar way. Very good. Very good, Rani. Your answer is right. Half comma something.
Yes, sir.
Do we need to find that second coordinate also? Not
No,
necessary.
sir. There's only 1/2 for
Yeah,
x.
only one option has x coordinate half.
Yes, sir.
Of course, we can find the second coordinate also by using the same method, right? Very good, Rani. Your answer is right. So final option is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
See, 1 comma a, 2 comma b, c square comma negative 3 are the widths of a triangle. Then the condition for its centroid lie on x-axis. You know, can you tell any point, example of any point lying on x-axis?
Yes. Yes.
See, x-axis,
Yes, sir.
y-axis,
Yes, sir.
graph 0, 0, 0 comma 0 origin,
Yes, sir.
1 comma 0, a point on x-axis at a distance of 1 unit from origin,
Yes, sir.
point 2 comma 0, lying on x-axis at a distance of 2 units from origin, right? 3 comma 0. What is the
Yes.
common point for the points on x lying on x-axis? What's the common point, common property of the
The
points?
y equals 0, sir.
Yeah, y coordinates is equal to 0.
Yes.
Lying on x-axis means having y coordinates 0, right?
0. Yes, sir.
Yeah. First of all, let's find the centroid of this triangle. Three coordinates are a 1 comma a, b 2 comma b,
Yes, sir.
c square comma minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are the widths of a triangle. The condition for centroid. Can you tell centroid? We need not find the x coordinate of centroid. It is enough, it is sufficient to find y coordinate of centroid. You know why?
Yes, sir.
Because we are using this point. That point is y coordinate is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So centroid lies on x-axis.
Yes.
That means y coordinate of centroid is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So it is enough to find y coordinate. X coordinate is not necessary, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Find y coordinate. Formula y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Y1 means a
1
plus b. Y3 means
plus -3, sir.
over 3.
Yes, sir.
This lies on x-axis. This point lies on x-axis.
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes,
its
sir.
y coordinate is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
A plus b minus 3 by 3
Yes, sir.
is equal to 0. By
A
cross
plus b
multiplication,
minus 3 equals 0.
a plus b is equal.
A plus b equals 3, sir.
That's it.
Option 2.
Very good. Very good. Ma Rani, అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఫాలో అవుతున్నావా? Rani, have you understood? Yeah. It's very interesting question. A, B, C are widths of a triangle with ortho center H at x1 plus x2 plus x3, y1 plus y2 plus y3, then angle ABC. It's very interesting question, right?
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి చూడమ్మా ఎలా చేయాలి ఒక పని చేద్దాం ముందు ఆది సెంటర్ అడిగారు అనే విషయం పక్కన లెట్స్ కీప్ దట్ పాయింట్ aside that ఆది సెంటర్ is asked just find centroid. What is centroid?
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3.
Very
y1
good.
plus y2 plus
Yeah,
y3 by 3.
yeah, tell centroid. X1 means 3x1 here. 3x
Yes, sir.
is there in the place of x1.
3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 by 3.
Taking 3 common, 3 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 power
Yes,
3.
sir. Yes, sir.
3 times of
A
y1 plus,
y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.
very good. 3 3 get cancels, 3 3 get cancels, right?
Yes, sir.
Centroid is
x1 plus x2 plus x3 times x1
y1.
y1 plus y2 plus y3.
Actually, we found centroid only, right?
Yes, sir.
But in the question, it is given that it is or the center.
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean? Centroid or the center coincides.
Yes, sir.
So in which case centroid or the center coincides?
E
Equilateral
center
triangle. Very good.
equilateral triangle.
In equal triangle only, centroid and or the center same.
Yes, sir.
Find centroid, and in the question it is given that or the center is so and so. But we identified that both are same.
Yes, sir.
So the triangle must be
60 degrees, that's pi by
yes.
3, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. So the triangle must be equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
So each angle is angle ABC is equals to degrees, angle BAC is equals to degrees, angle CAB also is to degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. See,
Sir, I think okay.
Do you want to leave?
Yes, sir, I have to leave.
Yeah. Do you have quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
okay.
I have.
Yeah, we shall meet. We shall connect at exactly 4:30 tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Right. If you have time, you may listen lively or later of the same class. Or you told me that you will attend at 6 on Sunday. That means
Yes, sir.
Monday to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Yes.
Good night,
Thank you,
Tanika.
sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay. మా రాణి నువ్వు 5:30 క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయిపోమ్మా ఇప్పుడు రాణి 5:30 క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది 5:30 క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయిపో డూ యూ హ్యావ్ జూమ్ లింక్ రాణి మరి రాణి నీకు జూమ్ లింక్ ఉంది కదమ్మా